this is Tim from YourSix Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to lock your Google Photos with a password on your Android phone. So you can see I can just swipe this and then I can add things to here. I'm going to move, and this is going to remove it from my gallery into my locked folder on my Google Photos. So you can see it right here. Now to get here it's very easy. Just locate Google Photos. So mine is going to be in the Google folder under Photos. Now you can see this. I have to type this in to get to the lock folder. But I'm going to be under Photos initially. Go to Collections. Now go on down to lock folder right here. And I have to type in a password. So you can set this up now, and I believe using your current device screens. So this is going to just be my default one I have. And then here's my lock folder. I can go with the plus icon and I can move things into it now. And people won't be able to access this through your gallery app, and everything's going to be hidden behind that password. So you're going to have to set this up if you don't already have a password on your phone or a pattern or something like that. Now it could be under security for you to set this up. Could be under lock screen. On my phone it's under fingerprint, space data, and screen lock. I can just go to my screen lock right here, draw a pattern, and set this up. I don't need biometrics, I just need some sort of pattern on here. But once I have it set up, then I can use this to lock my photos. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSix Studios.